Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best RC helicopters is probably one of the most exciting toys a kid can have, offering a blend of fun and learning. These miniature marvels not only provide hours of entertainment but also help children develop hand-eye coordination and spatial awareness. In this video, we'll explore the top RC helicopters perfect for young pilots, ensuring you find the perfect match for your child's skill level and interests. Number 5. SYMA S107G3 Channel RC Helicopter with Gyro, Blue. This helicopter offers incredibly stable flight. It's designed to be easy to control, making it perfect for beginners. You'll find this helicopter very easy to maneuver. It's designed with user-friendliness in mind, so you can start flying quickly. If you're new to RC helicopters, this is a great choice. It's designed to be easy to control and a lot of fun to fly. The helicopter uses a lithium polymer battery. Please note that batteries for the remote control are not included. This helicopter utilizes a brushed motor. This type of motor provides reliable performance for your flying adventures. What we like. This helicopter is incredibly easy to fly, making it perfect for beginners. Its stable flight characteristics ensure a smooth experience, allowing you to quickly get the hang of controlling it. If you're just starting out in the world of RC helicopters, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The helicopter is very easy to control. It is very durable and can withstand crashes. The lights are very bright and make it easy to see in the dark. Number 4. RC Helicopter for Kids with 30 minutes flight. This flying aircraft features 7 attractive LED light modes, providing a captivating visual display. Under the demo mode, it performs auto-rotation or circle fly, offering an extra level of excitement. It's a great indoor activity for making memories. This radio-controlled helicopter performs a stable hover with its upgraded Gyro system. Release your control, and it will hover in position. The controls are simple to use, and it has customizable speed settings and one-key takeoff land. With 2 batteries, you can enjoy up to 30 to 34 minutes of flight time. The sturdy PVC body and landing gears work as great buffer. The alloy structure further protects its delicate components. The rechargeable modular batteries have charging safety features. It uses 2.4 GHz frequency for a long transmission distance and great anti-interference. The propellers rotate at a reasonable speed, protecting your home's decor. This RC helicopter enhances children's creativity and problem-solving skills. It might spark a passion for engineering or aviation. Children can learn valuable skills while having fun with it. What we like. This helicopter features captivating LED lights that provide an eye-pleasing visual display, especially captivating for kids. With 2 batteries, it offers extended flight times, ensuring more fun. If you are looking for a helicopter that combines visual appeal with extended playtime, this is the one. What people say. The helicopter is very easy to control, even for beginners. It has a durable design that can withstand crashes. The LED lights make it fun to fly at night. Number 3. DEERC DE52 RC Helicopter with Storage Case. This DEERC DE52 helicopter is designed for everyone. It features one-key takeoff and landing, and advanced air pressure technology for stable hovering. With adjustable speed levels, it's perfect for beginners. The DE52 comes with 2 rechargeable modular batteries. This allows for about 24 minutes of flight time. The LED lights help you identify the position and direction of the helicopter, even at night. A specially designed storage case protects the DE52 from damage. It also includes 2 different shells, providing more options. The case is easy to carry with a comfortable handle. The 2.4 GHz remote control offers a stable signal and prevents interference. It has a control distance of about 98 feet. The 2 adjustable speeds are ideal for both beginners and experienced users. This child-friendly flying toy is built with a metal body and flexible blades for safety. It requires no assembly and is easy to control with one-key operation. It's a great gift for kids and adults. What we like. This helicopter comes with 2 modular batteries, providing extended flight times. It also includes a convenient storage case and 2 different shells, adding to its versatility. If you value convenience, extended play, and a bit of customization, you should consider this one. What people say. This helicopter right out of the box was set up correctly, it launched straight up and just hovered perfectly, and after some gentle learning the controls it was actually fun to fly this thing in the house. My son loves this helicopter because it's very user-friendly and you can make it fly fast or slow and just enjoy making it do different maneuvers. These are great little helicopters, they are tough and basically fly themselves right out of the box. The DEERC DE52RC helicopter is a solid choice for beginners and kids, offering stability, ease of use, and good battery life with extra accessories. Number 2. DEERC DE23RC helicopter with LED lights. This helicopter features vibrant LED lights, making it easy to see day or night. The colorful lights clearly define the outline, allowing for incredible night flying experiences. It comes with 2 rechargeable modular batteries for extended flight times. They are easy to install, remove, and charge, providing about 24 minutes of fun. The helicopter uses advanced air pressure technology to hover at a set altitude. It also has a built-in Gyro for flexible and stable movement, and one-key takeoff landing. The 2.4 GHz transmitter ensures easy use and eliminates interference with other radios. You can simply turn it on and stay connected without worrying about antennas. With a metal frame and flexible blades, this helicopter is designed to withstand crashes. It's a tough, durable, and safe indoor flying toy, perfect for everyone. What we like. This helicopter boasts vibrant 7-color LED lights for enhanced visibility, especially during night flights. It also features altitude hold and a durable, anti-collision design. If you enjoy night flying and want a robust helicopter, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This RC helicopter offers an exhilarating experience while ensuring that young children can easily operate and enjoy it. One of the standout features of this RC helicopter is its user-friendly controls. It is made from durable materials that can withstand accidental crashes and bumps. Additionally, the propellers are designed to be safe and gentle, reducing the risk of any accidents or injuries during play. The flight performance of this RC helicopter is impressive, considering its target audience. It is capable of stable flight and can hover in place, allowing kids to practice their control skills. The helicopter's responsiveness to the controls provides a satisfying experience and encourages kids to improve their piloting abilities over time. Another aspect that adds to the excitement is the built-in LED lights. These colorful lights not only enhance the visual appeal but also make it easier to track the helicopter's movements, especially when flying in darker environments. It adds a touch of magic and captivates the imagination of young pilots. In terms of battery life, this RC helicopter offers a decent amount of flying time on a single charge. It comes with a rechargeable battery and a convenient USB charging cable, eliminating the need for constant battery replacements. This ensures uninterrupted playtime and allows kids to fully enjoy their flying adventures. Overall, the RC helicopter for young kids has been a resounding success in our household. It provides a thrilling and engaging experience while prioritizing safety and ease of use. Watching my kids master the controls and enjoy the excitement of flying has been truly rewarding. If you're looking for a fun and accessible RC helicopter for young children, I highly recommend giving this one a try. It's a toy that will undoubtedly bring joy and entertainment to any young aviation enthusiast. Number 1. DEERC 3.5CH RC helicopter for beginners. This helicopter features a metal airframe and flexible ABS blades, designed to withstand crashes. This makes it more rigid and durable, ensuring a longer lifespan for your flying fun. It's built to handle the bumps and tumbles of learning to fly. Experience stable ascents, descents, and flight with this easy-to-control helicopter. It provides a user-friendly experience, perfect for new pilots eager to take on a new challenge. You'll be flying with confidence in no time. The helicopter uses advanced air pressure technology to maintain a steady altitude after takeoff. With the built-in Gyro, the helicopter moves more flexibly and stably. Take off and land with just the push of a button. The 2.4 GHz transmitter enhances your flying experience with its ease of use. You won't have to worry about interference, allowing for a seamless connection every time. There's no external antenna to worry about breaking. This is the perfect indoor flying toy for boys, girls, and RC helicopter enthusiasts of all ages. It's also suitable for outdoor flying on calm days. Get ready for hours of fun with this exciting helicopter. What we like. This helicopter is built with a durable metal airframe and flexible blades, ensuring it can withstand crashes. It offers easy control and altitude hold for a stable flight experience. If you are looking for a robust and easy-to-fly helicopter, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. This RC helicopter offers an exhilarating experience while ensuring that young children can easily operate and enjoy it. One of the standout features of this RC helicopter is its user-friendly controls. It is made from durable materials that can withstand accidental crashes and bumps. Additionally, the propellers are designed to be safe and gentle, reducing the risk of any accidents or injuries during play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.